Hey, what's going on, guys? Gonna make a quick video for you about how to stream on an Amazon Fire TV stick the election and election results tonight. You have a couple different options, which is really cool. First off, if you're watching this and you do not have an Amazon Fire TV stick, you're just watching this because you want to stream it. If your television does have a tuner insert, you can try the old digital antenna ears as long as your television has the little screw in for the tuner. That's option number one, but let's get back to this video. So the Amazon Fire TV stick up here in the top menu up here, you want to go over here to apps. So just go ahead and just cruise on over with your remote control and select that, and the apps will come up here. Now you're going to go ahead and have to scroll down, and some of these will auto fill up here because of the election. They know you want to download these. On my projector out there, I have downloaded Fox News, but let's say you want to go ahead and do CBS News or whatever outlet you want. No cable required. I'll let you choose that, but I've already tested Fox News. I go ahead and click on Fox News. Now you will have to get it, and so all you have to do is just hit your center button here. It'll go ahead and queue that up and download that app to your Amazon Fire TV stick. And it's just finishing up installing right here. Okay, now we open, we just click our one right here, and we'll go ahead and launch it up here, and this will show up. Now this will give you a couple different options. You do have to agree on their terms of use, private policy, blah, blah, blah. I agree. And then what you want to do is, here is home. It's going to kick you in home right away. And I believe that might be live, and so let's go ahead and do live now. That was up there in your menu, drop one down, and then this little box right here. So this is now commercial, but this is live right here with you. While we're waiting for this commercial to end so I can show you it actually works, if you do not see it auto-populated in the menu down below to download Fox News, go ahead and just hit your speech button up here and tell your Amazon device with the trigger word, obviously, to search for Fox News, and then it will auto-populate up right there, or just search with the little keyboard key bar there. Anyway, commercial break. We'll be right back. I believe they're done by now. And here we go, guys. Live right here with you. They're talking about it right now, talking about Wisconsin voters. They're doing some interviews right now as they're talking about the polls. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the main menu again. We don't want to get a copyright. Hit that thumbs up button, guys, if it has helped you figure out how to stream on your Amazon Fire TV stick the election results. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe on your way out. We got a lot of good videos here, guys. Check out the channel. Take care for now. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.